guys, Rocky Miner back here today, and we are filming an RC car in action. It goes 50 miles per hour. Stop the car.
Okay, you want to examine it?
Yeah. Okay. Has a giant battery right there.
That's not a battery.
Right there.
That's not the battery, it's the motor.
Where's the battery?
It's inside there.
Oh, okay. Battery's inside there. This is the motor.
Too close.
Wheels. Okay. Ramp it.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, we're good.
Too far. Sweet air.
Sweet, sweet.
Drive it around.
Yeah, I'll go down the street.
And then after that, we're probably going to end the video. Okay.
Wait,
Stop the car. Stop the car.
Go on the video.
Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop.
Don't end the
Awesome car. Awesome car. Like. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't end it. I want to do something funny at the end.
Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe, and
The bloopers. The bloopers.
okay.
Supposed to happen.
That's good. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Maybe favorite. Bye.